Take a deep breath. Now, what did you just inhale? Most of us would say oxygen, maybe pollution, but here's the truth. Every breath you take contains tiny particles filled with chemistry. Chemistry that scientists still don't fully understand. Hidden inside these particles is a molecule called oxalic acid. Now, oxalic acid is everywhere. It's in the clouds, it's in airborne particles, it's even in the air that we are breathing right now. These particles are so small that they can travel deep inside our lungs and can affect respiratory health and even worsen conditions such as asthma. But here's the problem. We can measure what's in the air, but we don't know exactly how it got there. And if we can't understand how oxalic acid is being formed, then we can't fully predict air quality or its impact on our health. You see, the atmosphere isn't just empty space, it's a chemical reactor. Inside tiny water droplets like those found in humid air or the clouds, pollutants are constantly reacting, and some of those reactions can lead to the formation of oxalic acid. And these changes can determine how long the particles stay in the air, how toxic they can become, as well as its impact on our bodies. So you see, this isn't just chemistry, this is also public health. So, how do we figure this out? Well, my research looks into the real measurements of the air that we breathe. I analyze when oxalic acid appears and under which conditions it forms, like pollution or humidity. And what I found is that the more water that's present in the atmosphere, the more oxalic acid has the opportunity to form. And this tells us that these tiny water droplets play a large role in driving these chemical reactions. But it also highlights something interesting. There are still pieces of the chemistry puzzle that we don't quite understand. And that matters because a better understanding leads to better models. And better models leads to more accurate air quality forecasting, stronger environmental policies, as well as a better understanding of how to protect our communities. So, the next time you take a breath, remember, you're not just inhaling air. You're inhaling the result of millions of chemical reactions that are happening all around you. And the better we understand how molecules like oxalic acid are being formed, makes us one step closer to making the air around us cleaner, safer, and healthier for everyone.